Welcome back, friends. You also don't like that the time icon on the phone is so small by default, and it's hard to see even a person with a good eyesight. Here, this. See, it is so small. Here, it is so small. So, why Android developer still have not made this icon bigger? I don't know, because it would be more convenient if it is bigger. Therefore, in today's video I will show you a universal method for making the time icon bigger on your phone, on both the phones, so that it will be very convenient to use. And let us get started. To do this, you first need to activate a hidden option, that is developer option. I have made already videos, so I will not go into the detail, but let me tell you very quickly. Go to the setting, then go to the here developer option. It is already there. If it is not there, then go to the about phone, and after that go to the this software information, and here software information you will find versions, build number, and tap here. But because I am a developer, tap here for 7-8 times. Because I am developer, so it is saying that no need, developer mode is already on. Similarly here, just go to the setting here and go below about device, and in about device go to the versions, and here just version number, tap it here. See, no need, you are already a developer. Tap it here for 7-8 times, and it will go into the developer mode. So this is how we'll activate this hidden option. Now further what you need to do in this phone, I will show you. Go to the developer option, setting, and then developer option here, and now you have to go to section drawing, scroll down, and here you will find debugging is coming. Now you will go networking has come. Now scroll below, input drawing, and here you will find minimum width. This is 411 dp. Just tap it here. You can change it depending upon your phone's version. You can change it from 300 to 450. So see the size of this. Okay, now I will change it. I will go make it 320. Okay, see. Okay, everything has been changed. Now you can reduce from fonts, but this has been increased. So this is what, and in this phone, just go to the setting, go to the system and update. Here you will find developer option, and in developer option go below, go to the drawing, and here just width, turn it to 300. It is not taking. See, it has increased. Okay, so this is how you can increase this timestamp from both the phones. And if your font has been increased, then in this phone you just search for the font, font size. Okay, 1 minute. This not font size and style, and here you will go font size and style, and here from here you can reduce it. Okay, it is reduced. Or you can go to this developer option, from where you will go setting, and then developer. Here you can increase some extent, 350 I think, and then now it is okay. If it is okay, you can just customize it according to your need. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.